This is question 20 in the June 2013 non-calculator paper. Reading through this question first of all, it says ABCD is a square of side length 4x, and they've actually given that to you. The side length is 4x. M is the midpoint, so that's really important. M is the midpoint of DC. So I'm actually going to write something in here straight away. That means that's 2x and that's 2x if it's halfway of that. So I'm just going to put that in there. N is a point on AD where ND is x. So again, if that's x and it's a square and all the sides are the same, then that must be 3x. So I've just put some extra information in there. I'm going to put this in here as well. That's 4x. The question says, find an expression in terms of x for the area of triangle BMN. And BN is this gray triangle in here. Okay, so I actually do think that this is pretty straightforward, because what I need to do is I need to work out the area of the whole square. So the area of the square. And then if I work out the areas of that triangle, and that triangle, so those three triangles, if I work out their areas and then take away all of those from the area of the square, then I should be able to work out the area of the gray triangle in the center. So let's do that. The area of the square is going to be 4x times 4x. And 4 times 4 is 16. X times x is x squared. So that's the area of the whole square. I hope I didn't say triangle earlier, but yeah, that's the area of the whole square. Now, let's work out the areas of each of those triangles. I'm going to do it up here on the diagram. Now, the area of a triangle is half times base times height. Okay, and a lot of people forget that or just are quite silly with that. But let's actually look at this one here. Base height, so half times 3x times 4x. Okay, so 3 4s 12x squared, and we're going to half that, and that's 6x squared. So the area of that triangle over there is 6x squared. The area of this one at the bottom here is going to be a half times 2x times 4x. 2 times 4 is 8. That's 8x squared divided by 2 is 4x squared. That's the area of that triangle over there. And this one at the top here is, again, same technique. Half times 2x times x. 2x times x is 2x squared. Divide that by 2, and that's going to give you x squared. So that's the area of that small triangle up at the top there. Okay, so if I double underline each of my areas, there are those three. So the area of triangle BMN is going to be 16x squared, the area of the whole square. Take away the areas of these three triangles. So 6x squared, take away x squared, take away 4x squared. And what does that give you? So 16 take away 6 is 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. 9 take away 4 is 5. 5x squared is the area of triangle BMN. Now, overall, it is pretty straightforward. However, you do need to have a certain degree of understanding and problem solving for this. And this is a question that, again, if you're aiming for top grade or one of the higher grades, you should be able to do, and you should be able to pick up 3 easy marks from this.